This session will cover how we can use the lobby feature in IFS in an efficient and simple way. My name is William Välsjö, and I've been working on developing lobbies for about 2 years now, mostly in IFS Cloud, but also in earlier version of IFS. Webinar will focus on how we can simplify the display of data in the system for the end users and gather relevant data and information in one place. And the agenda for today looks like this. First off, I'm going to give you some introduction to IFS Lobby in Cloud and what it is, what a lobby actually is, and the pros of using the lobbies for the end users. I'm going to give you some examples on how to build elements and the process of building an element. Gonna go into the demonstration of a ready-made lobby to give you an example of how deep and complex a lobby page can be. And then we have some tips and tricks during the whole webinar itself.